going to demonstrate how to make a liquid density towel using 5 different liquids. I will get started by gathering the supplies for this activity. Syrup, water, vegetable oil, rubbing alcohol, this soap, a large tall clear container which will be used as a towel, food coloring to add contrast in color to the water and alcohol, small objects to be dropped into the finished towel, for example metal screw, plastic beads, popcorn kernel, sponge and grape. I poured equal amount of each liquid into the cups and arranged them in order of how I would add them to the container. However, it does not matter what order you pour them into the container. What do you think will happen when the liquids are added to the container? Will they all just mix together as a big mess? Are some liquids heavier than others? Will they form layers? Let's find out. This is a jar that is going to be used as the tower, and this, the syrup, I'm going to pour it to the center of the jar, ensuring that it doesn't touch the side. So carefully, slowly pour to the center, ensuring that it doesn't touch the side. Next, I'm going to do the dish soap, also to the center. Give it a little time to settle. Next, I'm pouring the water, and I'm going to use just to get it to the side of the container slowly because next we have the vegetable oil. Again, we're going to pour from the side. Next we have the rubbing alcohol. What did you observe? What conclusion can you draw from this activity? The density of a substance is the relationship between the weight or the mass of the substance and how much space it takes up. It's a volume. That is, density is how much matter is packed in a space. Liquids with different densities do not mix, and we are able to stack them on top of each other. The weight of the liquids control their density and position in the tower. Syrup, the most dense, seen at the bottom, and alcohol, the least at the top. This same principle applies to the objects dropped into the tower after the layers have settled. Their density determines which layer they made it to before floating or sink. Here are some resources that we have available in our collections with activities that you might want to try out at home. Have fun.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.